Hi there, Dr. Yang Lee here. I'm just here to give you guys a hand with online email tools. Now, one thing that's come up recently is that MedTech is no longer providing unlimited SMS messages. So this can get pretty expensive pretty quickly. I've personally never used the SMS tool because I never found that it was that good for user engagement. What I mean by that is when you send SMSs through and then people reply, it's kind of hard to keep a tally of it. You don't have like an overall dashboard to look at stuff. Whereas I find that with emails, if you send a bunch of emails and people reply, you can see all of that in your email account and you kind of know what the reply is about because if you send them an email about a certain topic and they replied back on that, then you know it was about that topic. It's just a lot easier to manage. And for a lot of people, they tell me that they're quite scared about giving patients the email and all that kind of stuff. Now, from my own personal experience, people don't really like emailing you back all that much. I mean, really, when was the last time you emailed your doctor or mechanic or lawyer? I mean, you hardly do it. So, anyhow, don't fear. If you email a whole bunch of people, you won't get like a gigantic amount of emails. You might get 10, 20, 30 emails back max. So, but it's a good way to keep people in touch. The other thing too is with things changing so much with COVID-19, you probably want to email people once a week or something to keep them updated, or you have any changes to your clinic. So this is a very, very easy way of doing it, and it's completely free. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how it's done. What you need to do is go to MedTech, do a query build, and grab everyone's email address. It's really easy. It downloads it in a file called a .csv file. Then after that, you want to make an account with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is the easiest out of all the email clients I found. There are a bunch of others, but Mailchimp is the easy one. Then what you do is once you've made an account with Mailchimp, you go and you import that CSV file, and it literally just dumps all the emails there, and it's got the patient's name there as well. Then you can use that and just email everyone. There are a couple of issues, of course. I mean, they're supposed to have consented to receive emails, but I think if they're your personal patients, I don't think they'll mind. The other thing too is to comply with regulations. The email letter that you send them from Mailchimp will automatically have something at the bottom that says I'm subscribed. So you can just be honest and say to people, look, sorry, I'm not sure if you have consented to this. If you don't want this, just click unsubscribe at the bottom. I think in this environment, when you want to get information out quickly, it's okay. I think people will understand. And I find that patients in general quite appreciate the communication. So without further ado, I'll get on MedTech and I'll show you how this is done. How to build your query builder. It's very, very easy. Hi guys, this is MedTech. This is something that we're all used to. MedTech is the PMS that most people have. It's always clunky. It's kind of usable. I'll show you how to use it. So go to Query Builder, Tools, Query Builder. Go to Email. Okay, here we go. Click this one over here. Conditions is not blank. That's the easiest. Then go back to name. First name, name, surname. Then go to email. There you go. And then click on run query and it should bring things up. So hang on, what I'll do is I obviously can't show this to you guys because I'll be breaking all sorts of privacy rules. So for example, what I'll do is I'll just show you what to do after you get there. Don't follow this. Leave the links pretty much the same as before. Click on run query and see this is how many emails are present in your system. Go to export, save to disk, and it will export it in a CSV format. I suggest the file name, you change it to email and click on save. No, remember where your file went to. Now what you want to do is remember where that file is because you're going to have to upload it to Mailchimp later. Okay, next what you want to do is go to mailchimp.com. So when you get here, sign up for free. Signing up for free is pretty good. Most people just need the free account. It's fine for up to 2,000 emails and 2,000 contacts and 10,000 emails a month. So if you have a database that's bigger than that, feel free to just pay for the option. it's relatively inexpensive to add more people. So click on sign up for free, email, username, password, all the usual stuff. So once you get there, the screen will look something like this. So the first thing you want to do is click on audience. Then you want to click on import contacts. So what you want to do is go to CSV, click on continue, upload file. So you want to browse and you want to find the .csv files that you've got. So once you find it, just double click on it. So once you've done that and you've uploaded it, just follow the instructions. Once you're there and all your contacts are in here, the next thing you want to do is just to create email campaigns. So it's called creating a campaign. Now I've mostly only used the most basic function because, to be honest, I haven't really bothered with making more. As you can see, as you make the campaigns and you send them out, it will show you how many people have actually replied. So if you look at my emails here, patients are pretty good. They kind of, well, I mean, you're the doctor, they trust you. So as you can see, usually it varies between 66 and 70% of the time it's actually open. And I've been sending COVID-19 updates to my patients. And this has been actually been quite helpful. So what you want to do is click on create campaign, email, that's the easiest. Campaign name, call it anything you like. COVID-19 more updates or whatever you like, or opening hours, up to you. Click on begin. To all of it, add from. So for example, in my case, yes, I can put my email there. Subject, yep, you can just put whatever subject you want. New details, save. Very easy. Content, design, email. Now, if you want bare bones stuff, which is what I did, just click on basic. Basic is just so much easier. So my suggestion is select basic. Takes a wee while to load. Think about what you want to write in it. What I usually like to do is put a picture or logo at the top over here. So for example, that's my logo, turns up automatically. Time to design your email. So type whatever you like, just fill in the content over here. And once you're done, save and close, click on continue. That's pretty easy. Right. Oops, sorry, gotta write something in here first, otherwise they won't let you publish it. So click in here, write a bit of your own content. How are things going? Write my own content. Let's see. COVID-19 is very dangerous. Well, that's pretty obvious. Click on continue. Then you want to click on send. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, I don't want to send this because this is just an example for you guys. So this is how you use Mailchimp. It's dead easy. The main thing you need to do is to download the CSV, upload it when you go into the audience as I've shown you just now. And if you just want to use it for really basic emailing, which is what I've done, just go to campaign and choose the easiest format that you can find. So I hope that you guys found this helpful. Any questions, feel free to ask me. Bye.